Great, so thanks for your hard work on this homework. In this question, it was about creating a visualization diagram. Remember, the whole point of a visualization diagram is to give enough information, advice, annotation, so that a complete stranger will be able to visualize your design, as in they'll be able to picture what it should look like and actually create it. So if I go through the top mark band, it says a suitable layout for the visualization diagram. So normally, if you get given some space, I wouldn't fill the whole space with what you want it to look like. I'd create a smaller space where you fill it up so that you can annotate it around the edges. You want to be able to use white space well, that means empty space. A sensible layout, sensible color schemes. What do I mean by sensible and suitable? Well, is it relevant to teen fashion, and is it relevant to a contents page? So you are not expected to colour this in, but you are expected to annotate your colour scheme. It says the colour scheme is shown and is appropriate to the context. What do we mean by the context? We've said that already. It's a contents page. It's a teen fashion magazine. And the justifications are relevant to the context. What do I mean by justifications? I mean annotations don't just say red, blue, green. They explain your design choices, like pale green so that it's gender neutral, or yellow so that it's both bright and vibrant and happy, suitable for teen to boost their self-esteem and mental health, something like that. The visualization diagram is wholly suitable for the purpose of a contents page, so things on there that should be on there, like what's on each page and what page number you can find them, sensible pictures, that kind of thing. So that's 5A. 5B, the big misconception here is that this is two pieces of hardware. Hardware is stuff that you can touch, but you're not allowed to say computer or laptop or tablet. You have to be more explicit than that. So if you had any of these, well, let's read the whole of the question first. What it could be used to create a digital visualization diagram, so one on a computer. So a mouse. Sometimes some questions say explain how they'll be used. This is an identify question, so 1 mark for just listing. I'll explain how they could be used in case it was an explain question. So a mouse to be able to move the cursor so that you could design stuff. A keyboard so that you could type in the text on the contents page, a touch screen so that you can move things around with your finger, a drawing tablet or a graphics tablet, the same thing, so that you can use a stylus as though it's a pen for your designs, a tracker ball, I don't know if you've ever seen those, they're like upside down old-fashioned mice with a ball in, so you move the ball and the mouse cursor moves, or a screen or a monitor. And it says e.g., so you could have had some others like a suck and puff or like eye tracking, something like that. So next week's question is all about health and safety. You need to attempt that very carefully, please. And I look forward to reading your homework next week. Thank you.